Salve família, passando aqui pra dar um salve pra todo mundo e bora pro vídeo, rapaziada. É isso.
Yeah, no, yeah. Let me take you to the small life. I can take you funny day life. I can take your pain and all. Let me take you to the small life. I can take you to the spotlight. I can get you out of your damn mind. I can get you out of the...
Tá porra, menor! Ajuda! Ajuda, Yoda! Ajuda, Yoda!
I know you don't want love. Now I know now.
O objetivo mudou! Está mais claro do que nunca. Hoje comeremos cu! Venha comigo nessa jornada. Tá porra, menor! Ajuda! Ajuda, Yoda! Ajuda, Yoda!
Não.
We all want to help one another. Human beings are like that. We don't want to hate and despise one another. In this world there's room for everyone, and the good earth is rich and can provide for everyone. But we have lost the way. Greed has poisoned men's souls, has barricaded the world with hate, has goose-stepped us into misery and bloodshed. We have developed speed, but we have shut ourselves in. Machinery that gives abundance has left us in want. Our knowledge has made us cynical, our cleverness hard and unkind. We think too much and feel too little. More than machinery, we need humanity. More than cleverness, we need kindness. Without these qualities, life will be violent, and all will be lost.